Today, we will learn useful phrasal prepositions for daily conversation.
I will give clear examples and easy sentences you can use.
I am sitting on the left of the table.
I am sitting on the right and we are ready.
Phrasal prepositions are groups of words that act as a single preposition, like because of and in front of.
They show relationships such as reason, place, time, and contrast using more than one word.
Because of, I missed the bus because of heavy rain.
She was late because of traffic.
Due to often follows a form of to be. The event was canceled due to the storm.
In casual speech, people may use because of or due to similarly, but watch the grammar.
In front of, the car stopped in front of the house.
Place the chair in front of the desk.
On behalf of, I am calling on behalf of my manager.
I accepted the gift on behalf of the team.
According to the weather app, it will clear up.
According to the teacher, the test is next Monday.
Out of, she took a cookie out of the jar.
He did it out of kindness.
In spite of the rain, they played soccer.
Despite the rain, they had fun.
On account of, the concert was postponed on account of illness.
On account of the delay, we missed the train.
Ahead of, finish the report ahead of the deadline.
The cyclist rode ahead of the group.
With regard to your question, we will reply.
In simpler words, you can say, about your question, we will reply.
By means of, he opened the door by means of a key.
Or less formally, he opened it with a key.
On top of, put the vase on top of the table.
On top of that, we need more volunteers.
In case of emergency, call this number.
Spoken English often uses if, but you will see in case of in signs.
Aside from and apart from. Aside from the broken lamp, everything is fine.
Apart from a few mistakes, the essay was good.
Short sentences with phrasal prepositions help memory and build confidence.
Now a short dialogue that uses many of them.
Are you meeting Sarah in front of the cafe?
Yes, because of the narrow street, we will park out of sight and walk.
Will you speak on behalf of the group at the meeting?
Yes, according to the plan, I will present the summary.
What should we do in case of bad weather?
In case of bad weather, we will postpone the picnic.
Why did you bring an umbrella?
Out of habit and because of the forecast.
How do you handle project questions?
With regard to deadlines, we are ahead of schedule.
Replacing because of with due to in some sentences changes the flow.
Due to often follows a noun phrase. Because of can follow a whole clause.
Avoid common mistakes like in the front of the house. Prefer in front of the house.
Memorize chunks such as in spite of as single units.
A sample sentence. I go for a walk in spite of the cold.
Sample prompts include because of, in front of, in spite of, on behalf of, and according to.
I arrived early because of the traffic report.
She stood in front of the class and introduced the speaker.
In spite of the noise, he finished his work.
On behalf of the club, welcome to the event.
According to the schedule, the show starts at 7.
Different tenses and subjects clearly show how these prepositions behave in context.
Change pronouns and nouns and practice short conversations like ours.
Some phrasal prepositions are formal and some casual. Pick by context.
Everyday speech prefers simpler phrases, but formal forms help in writing.
A few more multi-word prepositions appear often, such as in relation to your request, here is an update.
Also, in addition to the main course, there will be salads.
For the sake of expresses purpose. For the sake of clarity, the speaker repeated the point.
By virtue of explains a reason tied to status. By virtue of her experience, she led the team.
In accordance with is formal. In accordance with policy, the office will close early.
In contrast to shows opposition. In contrast to last year, sales have improved.
With respect to is similar to with regard to. With respect to your idea, we have a suggestion.
In addition to can also add items. In addition to coffee, they serve tea and juice.
On account of the storm, several flights were canceled.
On account of illness, she missed the meeting and called ahead.
Apart from the noise, the room was comfortable and quiet enough.
Aside from one small typo, the article was ready to publish.
Phrasal prepositions rarely need commas unless they start a parenthetical or extra clause.
In writing, formal phrasal prepositions suit reports while simpler phrases fit casual chat.
Listening to examples helps make usage natural.
Seeing them in sentences and short dialogues makes them easier to remember.
To close, a brief recap from both of us.
We learned how phrasal prepositions like because of, in front of, in spite of, on behalf of, and according to work in daily conversation with examples to practice.
We learned to use them for reason, place, contrast, representation, and source, and how to rephrase them when needed.